Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise to get ready for the Math Olympiad. So we need to find f of x such as x is a variable strictly positive and a is a constant number and strictly positive also. So f of a over x equals x over a plus square root of a plus x square, and you want to find out f of x. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video, otherwise let's see the solution. So this is a functional equation, so one way to solve that, this is to change the variable between parentheses. So let capital X equals a over x, and x is strictly positive, so this is different from 0. So we can switch and x equals a over capital X. So now the goal is to plug capital X everywhere. So a over x, instead of this we can put capital X. X over a, this is the inverse of a over x. So we've got f of capital X equals 1 over capital X plus square root of a plus, so instead of x we plug a over capital X squared. So now let's expand the square. So this is f of capital X equals 1 over x plus square root of a plus a squared over capital X squared. So now we are going to reduce to the common denominator, which is capital X squared. So we end up with f of capital X equals 1 over capital X plus square root of a capital X squared plus a squared over capital X squared. So now let's do two things. First, we are going to factor by a squared, and then we are going to recall a square root formula, which states that square root of a over b equals square root of a over square root of b. So f of capital X, this is 1 over capital X plus square root of a squared times capital X squared over a plus 1 over square root of capital X squared. So x is a positive number, a is a positive constant, so square root of capital X squared equals capital X. And then we are going to focus on the numerator, and we are going to recall this formula, which states that square root of ab equals square root of a times square root of b. Once again, a is a positive constant, so square root of a squared, this is a. So we end up with f of capital X equals 1 over capital X plus a square root of capital X squared over a plus 1 over capital X. So now we can factor by 1 over capital X. So this is 1 over capital X times 1 plus a square root of capital X squared over a plus 1. So now we can switch with x. F of x equals 1 over x times 1 plus a square root of x squared over a plus 1. And this is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.